In this video I will show you how to change hair color in Photoshop. Go to Lasso tool, selection this area. Now we will click on Select and Mask. Choose the Refine Hair Edge Brush tool. Remove this side area. Click on Decontaminate Color. Press OK. Go to Eraser tool. Remove this extra area. Unhide this layer. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Choose this color. Press OK. Alt press Create a clipping mask. Change the blending option overlay. Double click on this layer. Now you can use the color of your choice. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.